Hi, I'm Frankie, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. All the products I use are drugstore apart from my eyelashes and contour. I'm in a bit of a different setup because I'm back at uni. So this is my uni room. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then let's jump into the video. Okay, so I just moisturised my skin with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. And the first product I'm going to take is my NYX Microbrow Pencil. This is actually new and it's in the colour 04 Chocolate. Start filling in my brows. I'm going to go underneath. So this is actually my first time using a pencil in so long. I used to use I think it was like L'Oreal or Rimmel. I used to use their pencil, but then I found my Anastasia Dip Brow and I never went back until today. I wanted to try the Anastasia eyebrow pencil, but I heard this one's just as good, so I thought this one's £8, that one's 22, so I think it's a little bit too warm for my usual eyebrow colour. I wouldn't really say it's chocolate, it's quite red, but I'm going to keep using it anyway because the actual pencil itself I like. So I got this for £8 on ASOS. Actually, I think I got like 10% off because I'm a student as well. So it was, oh yeah, these really isn't my colour, but we're going to keep going. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Just pop that all over my eyelid. This is to prime my eyelids and I'm going to clean up my brows a bit. Just going to blend that in all over my eyelid. To set the concealer on my eyelids, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Translucent. The top of this is actually broke, so it just looks like this. Okay, next for eyeshadow I'm going to go in with my NYX Brights Palette and I'm going to go in with this blue colour here. They haven't got any names, but yeah, just this light blue. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this colour Next Door and I'm just going to take this a little bit lower than that first colour. And next I'm going to mix this colour with these two colours here. Go even lower onto my lid. Okay, so I just finished my eyes off camera and I did my eyeliner, which I kind of fucked up. They're not very even, but you win some, you lose some. So for eyeliner, I used the L'Oreal Superliner Perfect Slim, just like this. Now I'm going to move on to my primer, and for primer today I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. It looks like this. This is actually not mine. This is Megan's. Because I didn't have a drugstore primer, so oh, this was really nice. It feels like really smoothing on my skin. Okay, so now my skin is all primed, I'm going to move on to my foundation. And today for foundation I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Foundation. It looks like this, and I'm in the shade 11 Vanilla. So I'm just going to shake this up and put it onto my Morphe M439 brush. Just going to blend this all in. It's actually quite a good colour for me at the moment. Who knew? So I think this foundation is like a light to medium coverage foundation, and I've had to use quite a lot to like cover my whole face like how much I want. But it is nice, it's not too heavy on the skin even though I've used quite a lot, so that's good. So now I've buffed that in with my brush, I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender over the top to make sure there's no brush strokes. This foundation is really nice, it doesn't emphasise any of my dryness. Okay, so in Boots this is £8.99, so yeah, this is really good for how cheap it is. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define again. These are £4 from Superdrug. These are £4 from Superdrug and they are so good. They're quite like the Tarte Shape Tape, but they're a tiny bit more sheer, and I found that they dry a little bit quicker, so you have to be a bit quicker when blending them in, but it's not like, you don't have to rush. I'm just going to take C3 and put it under my eyes. And I'm going to go in my beauty blender and buff it in. And I'm just going to go back in my Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder and just set over where I went with my concealer. So now I've done my concealer, I'm going to move on to bronzer. And for bronzer I'm going to use my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Dolce, however you say it. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques big brush and bronze up my cheeks. This is quite an orangey bronzer, but so yeah, I picked this one up from America, although I have found a shop in Lakeside which sells Milani called Beauty Base. So yeah, if you're interested in any Milani products, you can go to Beauty Base in Lakeside. Who knew? Not me. So yeah, I haven't actually got a contouring product, so I'm just going to quickly go off camera and use my normal contour product. Okay, so I just finished my contour off camera and now I'm going to move on to my lower lash line. So I'm going to go back in with my NYX Brights Palette and dip into this colour here again, the first colour I used, and just take that underneath my lash line. And I'm just going to move on to blush. And so for blush, I've got this Nip and Fab blusher palette, which looks like this. This is actually George's product, but she got it from Superdrug. And I'm going to take this colour down here to be my blush for today. And this is called Velvet. I'm going to take it on my Morphe E3. And put it on the apples of my cheeks and pull it backwards. I really like blushes that are like more of like a browny peachy colour. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Mascara in waterproof. I'm just going to coat my top lashes. So I just decided that these eyelashes would be better for the sake of the video because the other ones weren't in the greatest condition. Next I'm going to go in with highlighter, and today I'm going to be using the Topshop Chameleon highlighter in Mother of Pearl. And I know this isn't really drugstore, but I'm kind of justifying Topshop makeup as drugstore because it's around the same price, and I mean. So I'm just going to dip into Mother of Pearl and put it onto my cheek. This highlighter is quite a glittery highlighter and it reflects like pink. So it is really pretty. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to go in with my lip liner and lipstick. Today I'm going to be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in London just to line my lips. This is literally as good as like the MAC ones and even my Kylie ones. This is really good. And on top of that lip liner, I'm just going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the colour Madeline. This lip gloss is kind of like the Too Faced Sweet Peach lip glosses. It's really nice but still pigmented, so you don't actually have to wear a lipstick underneath. So this is the completed look. I did a bright eye and a nude lip as usual. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll hopefully see you next time.